Okay, so for this recipe, you use, you'll need 2 1/4 cups of lukewarm water. And to that, you're gonna add your yeast. Now you can buy the package kind, so you can put in 1 of the packets of yeast, but I like to buy this jar of yeast here. And I'm gonna put in 2 1/4 tablespoons of the yeast, and I'm gonna put it in this metal water in here, like this. And then we're gonna do one. Calls for quite a bit of yeast. There's 2, and then 1/4 teaspoon. I'm gonna put in. That should be about enough there. So that's the yeast, and then we're going to add now the barley malt. Now, one of the tricks I like to use is I will take my measuring spoon here, and I'll just quickly give it a little spray of canola oil or whatever, Pam or whatever spray that you have. And then that way, when you measure out your syrup, like honey or molasses or whatever you have in a recipe, what's really nice is it just slides right out, which is really helpful. You'll see that here in just a minute. See how that comes out? Really nice and clean. It's really helpful. Now when you have to get your fingers all in it, although that's nice too. But still, we're gonna put in now another, so it calls for 2 tablespoons. Let's just mix that up. So that's our liquid part. We're gonna let that dissolve, and we're gonna let the yeast bloom. And what that means is that basically the yeast is coming alive. Well, it's already alive, but it's got that hard coating on it. And what's nice about it is in the warm water, and now with the syrup, the sugar, it'll start to really grow, become very nice. So we're gonna let that bloom, and then we'll come back and mix this with our flour.